Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast Club. I'm Alex, and I want to share something important with you before we start. You can do this. Many people believe English is too difficult, but remember, you've already taken a big first step just by being here today. Every little bit of practice gets you closer to fluency. Picture yourself chatting with friends, traveling, working, or studying without any fear. That's all within your reach. Stay with me until the end, and together we'll practice real English that you can use every day. After this lesson, you'll feel more confident and stronger in your skills. And one more thing. If you're enjoying this podcast, be sure to subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube. That way, you'll never miss a new lesson and can keep learning gradually and confidently. Happy learning! All right, let's begin. I will ask you a quick question first, then share the answer. Please listen carefully and then repeat after me. Saying it out loud is a fantastic way to strengthen your speaking muscles. Are you busy right now? Not really, I am free. What is new with you? Not much, just the usual. Do you live close by? Yes, only a few blocks away. Do you have weekend plans? Yes, I am free on Saturday. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. How about you? Do you like to cook at home? Yes, I usually cook dinner myself. Are you tired today? A little, but I feel fine. Do you watch TV at night? Yes, it helps me relax. Do you take the bus to work? No, I usually drive. Do you read before bed? Yes, it makes me calm. Are you ready to start? Yes, I am ready now. Remember, pause the podcast, repeat the answers, and say them until they feel easy. And do not forget to subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club so you can keep practicing with me every week. Let us move to useful questions for shops and restaurants. Do you need a bag? No, I brought one. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, I would like the pasta. Would you like a drink? Yes, a glass of water, please. Do you want the receipt? Yes, please. Are you paying by card? Yes, I will pay by card. Would you like it to go? Yes, takeaway, please. Would you prefer to sit inside or outside? Outside, please. Do you want to try it on? Yes, of course. Are you looking for something special? Yes, I need a black jacket. Would you like still or sparkling water? Still water, please. Do you want dessert? No, thank you. I am full. Keep repeating these answers out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they become. And once again, subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube so you can keep your practice going strong. Here are some useful questions for work and phone conversations. Can I call you back later? Yes, no problem. Are you coming to the meeting? Yes, at 10 o'clock. Do you work from home? Yes, 3 days a week. Could you send me the file? Yes, I will send it now. Do you need help with the report? No, I'm okay, thank you. Are you working late tonight? Yes, I need to finish this project. Can you hear me well? Yes, you sound clear. Would you like me to take notes? Yes, that helps a lot. Are you available tomorrow morning? Yes, after 9 o'clock. Could we move the meeting to Friday? Yes, that works well. Would you like to join the call? Yes, just send me the link. Great work, my friend. Keep practicing with me and you will feel more comfortable speaking English in real life. Now let us practice some travel and social questions. Is this seat free? Yes, please sit down. Do you know where the bus stop is? Yes, just around the corner. Are there free tables tonight? Yes, at 7 o'clock. Are you here to check in? Yes, for 2 nights. Would you like help with your luggage? Yes, thank you. Is this the train to London? Yes, it leaves in 10 minutes. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. Is breakfast included? Yes, that is wonderful. Do you need a taxi? Yes, please. Are you here on holiday? Yes, I am here with my family. Congratulations, my friend. You have just practiced everyday English questions and answers. That's amazing work. Remember, the secret to learning English is repetition. Listen again, speak out loud, and use these questions in your real life. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you will feel. Thank you for learning with me today on the Easy English Podcast Club. I'm Alex, and I believe in you. Keep practicing, stay positive, and never give up on your dream of speaking English fluently. Do not forget, subscribe to Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube so you can continue this journey with me every week. Together, we will make English easy for you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lesson.